guys, welcome back to my channel for another cleaning video. I'm so glad that you came back to watch. And in today's video, I'm going to be starting in the one place of the house that I really just don't like cleaning, and it's the bathrooms. By far, they're my least favorite thing to do next to the laundry. So I decided today that I would just go ahead and knock that out first, just to get it out of the way so I could go ahead and enjoy cleaning the rest of my house.
Tomorrow is too far away. Here's what we gon' do. Take it to the limit, there's no other way. And ooh, with you by my side, dive into the ocean, let me be your guide. If tonight never comes again, I don't mind. This is not the end, so come with me and just enjoy the ride. What you gotta lose? Don't you care about what people have to say? Let's do whatever, we'll do it anyway. So come with me, are you being shy? Some call me crazy, but it's alright. Cause ooh, here's what we gon' do. Take it to the limit, there's no other way. Dive into the ocean, let me be your guide. If tonight never comes again, I don't mind. This is not the end, so come with me and just enjoy the ride. Things we're gonna do. What you gotta lose? What you gotta lose?
Editing the video, I just kick myself for not putting something over our bed. I still haven't found that perfect piece to go over it, so please ignore my extremely bare walls.
What you gotta lose? 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 Hey. What you gotta lose? Oh, what you gotta lose? Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties. But I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see.
I am so happy to report that both of the babies are now sleeping in their nursery for all naps and at night. So I was so happy to be able to take this pack and play down. It was just kind of an added clutter in our room, and I'm just glad to see it go. Even though it makes me a little bit sad, I am definitely glad to have my room back.
Got it done. Lucky me. Lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. thinking now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim, and come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones, and be wild, 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 wild.
If ever I thought my house looked like a daycare before, it definitely does now that some of the bigger toys are coming out, like the Exercaucer, and we're about to add in the other Exercaucer as well. And then you will notice the big pendant area by the fireplace. That's our puppy's little play area during the time that I can't be right in the room watching her, just because she is still potty training. So that's her little play area whenever I'm not in the room with her. So that definitely takes up a lot of space, and my rug is gone just while she potty trains. So I can't wait to have this room back. But honestly guys, bringing a puppy in has just been such a blast.
It's the storm within your broken bones, and be wild, 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 wild. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that is going to be all for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to watch this cleaning video. If you do like cleaning videos, let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Baby, I am ready for that heartbreak.